Ever felt blindsided by unexpected property management fees? Many owners face hidden costs that eat into profits. From leasing fees to maintenance upcharges, these surprises can significantly impact your bottom line. Let's explore how transparency can change this. Imagine a world with no hidden fees. AllView offers straightforward pricing, aligning our success with yours. We only get paid when you do, ensuring no surprises. This transparency sets us apart, providing peace of mind for property owners. Our pricing model includes everything: no leasing fees, no setup fees, and no maintenance upcharges. With AllView, you know exactly what you're paying for, making property management stress-free and predictable. Let's recap. AllView's transparent pricing eliminates hidden fees, aligning our success with yours. Our clients enjoy peace of mind and significant savings. This approach ensures you know exactly where your money goes. With the AllView 360-degree guarantee, you're covered with the industry's most comprehensive protection plan. This guarantee reflects our commitment to transparency, accountability, and partnership every step of the way. Ready to experience the AllView difference? Contact us today to start saving and enjoy stress-free property management. Let's work together to maximize your property's potential with transparent pricing and exceptional service.